This message is a good omen, indicating that everything will be well in the future. You may not have realized that you are powerful enough, and that the things you are concerned about have already been planned and prepared in front of you. Your angels are pleading with you to forgive yourself. Allow yourself to let go of any resentment that is still buried deep within your heart. That sadness within you is dragging you down and preventing you from seeing the blessings that should already be in front of you. It's time to put your feet in the water. God is suggesting that you are ready for your better half, so try not to overthink things, and instead claim that what God has for you was already destined for you. This is affirmation that your connection will grow in all aspects of your life and build an unbreakable bond between you two. God is saying that even if things are unclear, you are on the right track. Even the hurdles in front of you were merely a test to see if you could get past them. All difficulties are an illusion. Take that lesson to heart, learn from it, and share it with people you know who may need it. From now on, you must have faith in yourself. Be willing to show your true color. If they accept you for who you are, that is the person to keep. Someone who truly believes you are unique will always make time to communicate with you. There are no acceptable explanations and excuses. Get ready for your twin flame connection to grow stronger and deeper over the day. Never give up on this hope, as the Almighty above has ordained this. You two will fill in each other's gaps. You and your soulmate were created to meet and marry each other.